Hey, check out the Polycore, the newest thing on the market, 080 polycarbonate. It's got thin aluminum on the outside, absolutely no oil can down the side of this thing. You can't see the screw holes, semi-screwless. Every 4 feet there's a row of screws. It does not look like trash. Don't want to have that concession trailer set up at the fall festival and it look like garbage. This screams appearance. This is what you want as a business phone. Features on this trailer, guys, is your 50 amp motor base plug. That's how you're going to power your trailer. There's an electrical package inside the trailer along with a water fill system. That's how you fill up your fresh water tank. And then when you go to dump it, here's your dump valve. Just like on an RV or a camper, you dump your valve just like that. Easy peasy. 3x6 concession window, 3 bays, windows and screens. Got the 12-inch fold down shelf, folds down for easy access. You can put your condiments, your napkins, and your money. Easy fold down window, 2 door latches, electric green, Polycore. 15 by 15 hand wash, splash guards on both sides so your nasty soapy water doesn't get over on your clean dishes. 3 compartment sinks with drain boards, meal top finish, pass any code.